feel so stink because there's so many, you know, contestants and commenters.
Hurry up, they're waiting.
Yeah, okay.
They've probably got local or something to go to.
Alright, y'all. Let's get into this draw.
Okay. It's so packed. Okay, go. Go, go, go.
Ooh.
Okay.
So the winner is, can I get a drum roll please, man?
Oh my god. Just get there, they're waiting.
The winner of the lamp giveaway is PRECIOUZ LILAINA.
Lilaina, Precious Lilaina.
Yeah, so you won this one. And I know you really wanted to win and get this for your mum for Mother's Day. So she's winning lamp 1.
You got number 1.
Yeah.
So that's the purple one.
Ooh.
That's the purple one. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Congratulations to Precious Lilaina. If you could Instagram DM us your address details,
so we can send you the
we'll
lamp.
keep in contact and a phone number, and we can probably call you later on if that's okay with you. So again, that's Precious Lilaina.
Yep. Hey Sotina. Yeah, so you won this, and I hope you get to watch this live. If not, we're going to be going on YouTube doing a quick little video, and we'll probably upload it later on tonight of who won.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Thank you again, guys. Sorry about the YouTube difficulties and technical faults. I'm not very good with computers and everything, being old and everything.
Yeah. So I'm really old school, y'all. She said yes. Kalahata, are you Precious Lilaina or Lilaina? Or maybe you're related to her.
Well, anyways, just I'll even for Precious, I'll even message you on YouTube and let you know you've won. If they want to see the video, you can come back to Instagram and have a look. I'm so sorry again.
Sorry,
and
guys.
that's it.
Keep this.
Keep watching our YouTube videos. We've got one coming up soon. Right, whatever Sotino, we know who you are.
Oh. Thank you, Kalahata. You're so nice, man.
Thank you. And thank you for watching.
Yeah, honestly,
I can't say sorry enough. I'm so sorry. But I hope you guys have a blessed evening, blessed weekend, and hope to see you guys soon.
Yeah. Or basically the next video we should be uploading tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already on my YouTube channel at lifewyfcaityb, and we'll see you guys tomorrow basically. Bye.
Bye.
We out. Precious. Oh, how does this work?